send WhatsApp messages without saving number. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a WhatsApp message to someone without saving the number. This is perfect if you just need to send message someone quickly without cluttering your contacts. Let's jump right in. First things first, what you need to do is simply open the WhatsApp app. Now, as you can see, this number is not saved in my contacts, but you can simply send a message to them like this. Now, but if you want to simply click on or send to someone new, simply tap on the plus icon and simply go to new contact, and here you need to simply type the number of the person and simply click on save and simply send the message. But if you don't want to send the message to someone and simply create the new contact, what you can do is, if you are in the same group, then what you can do is, as you can see, this person is not saved in my contacts, but I can send the message through simply going to message and simply typing message and simply sending it. And that's it. That's how you simply send message to someone without saving the contacts on WhatsApp.